Hey guys, we got a very similar video from yesterday. If you look at this, it looks almost the same, but it's not quite. Okay, and I'm gonna move that over a little bit so that light's not in the way. Okay, so we're still doing probability. We're still doing more than one thing. So we have a bag of marbles. We got a bag of coins, just like the last one. Okay, 3, 2, and 5. So we got 10 marbles. Okay, 6, 9, and 5. We got 20 coins. Okay, here's the thing. We're saying what's the probability of picking a red or picking a nickel? Okay, here's the big difference, guys. If we pick a red, in some ways, or means it doesn't really matter that that's a nickel. So all the reds count. So red and any coin, really, that's what that means. Or any marble, as long as you got a nickel. Because or means it doesn't have to be both. And remember what we did on the last video. This and this had to both happen at the same time. But now or I can either have a red or a nickel. Either of those work. Now here's the difference. What's nice, a lot of these numbers are all the same pretty much. Red marble is still 3 out of 10. Nickel is still 9 out of 20. Okay, but guys, here's the difference. Instead of, remember, multiplying, now it's actually adding. So we're going to add these fractions. Okay, and that's actually how you get the answer when it's an or problem. Okay, now here's the problem. Like, fractions are a lot harder, remember? So I have to have a common denominator, remember? Now 10 and 20, guys, 10 can actually go up to 20, remember? So 10 is going to change to 20. Now the second one is going to stay 20. So the second one's going to stay 9 out of, so 9 out of 20 stays the same, but 10 goes up to 20 times 2, right? So then remember the way you do common denominator, then whatever the bottom goes up by, the top has to go up by 2. So 3 times 2, 620. So 3 over 10 is the same as 6 over 20. Okay? Okay, now what we're going to do now, 6 and 9 adds up to 15. And remember, the bottom stays the same. The bottom stays 20. When you're adding the top, you add the top, but you don't add the bottom. You don't get 20 and 20, you get 40. Okay, one more step. 15 and 20 can both be divided by 5. Okay, I know this seems long, but 15 divided by 5 is 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Boom. So the chance of either getting a red marble or a nickel is 3/4 of a chance. Okay, 3 out of 4 chance that you can get both of those. Okay, let's do another one. So now we're saying what's the chance of picking a green or getting a dime? So green, 2 out of 10. Now again, because it's or, we're going to add, and then a dime is 5 out of 20. Now here's what's nice, and guys, this will be the same on your homework problem. The bottoms stay the same, so we're really going to get the same common denominator each time. So for this one, they're both going to be 20. Okay, 5 over 20 stays. 10, again, goes up times 2, so then 2 times 2, 4. See, 2, 10 times 2, remember we did up here. 2 times 2, 4. Okay, add the numerators, 4 plus 5, 9. The bottom stays 20. Okay, now 9 cannot reduce with 20, so that's actually the answer right there, 9/20. That's the answer. Okay, let's do one more. So now the probability of getting a blue, which is 5 out of 10, and the probability of picking a penny, which is 6 out of 20. Okay, now again, we're doing the same thing. The 20 is our common denominator, so 6 over 20 stays the same. 10, again, goes up to 20 times 2, so 5 times 2, 10. Okay, 10 and 6, 16 over 20. Now, the only thing goes into 16, and the biggest thing that goes into 16 and 20 is a 4, right? 4 goes into 16, and 4 goes into 20. Okay, we were doing some of this on the other ones. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Boom. So there's our answer, 4/5 probability. 4 out of 5 probability to get a blue and a penny. Okay, now I'm sticking with the cans of pop and the chips, except I did change the barbecue chip. I did change some of these numbers because it was weird. Nothing was reducing. I wanted, let's practice some reducing. Okay, so we got 4 cans of Coke, now 6 Mountain Dew. Okay, we got 8 regular chips and 4 barbecue chips. So now this has changed a little bit. Okay, so, but still, so we're getting a Coke or barbecue chips. So again, we're using or like we did on the last one. So a Coke is 4. Now 4 and 6, so there are actually 10 cans of pop. I think it was 7 last, yeah, it was 4 and 3, so it was 7. Well, just because it was a 7, we couldn't reduce anything. I just want to practice reducing. Okay, a barbecue chips, there's 4 barbecue chips also, but 8 and 4, there's actually 12 bags of chips. 8 and 4, so there's 12 bags of chips. Okay, now, again, I wanted to do a little harder one because, okay, common denominator, 10 and 12. Guys, the easiest way to do common denominator, just 10 times 12, 120. 10 times 12, 120. Okay, now, so 10 goes up to 120 by 12, so 4 times 12, 4 times 12, 48. Okay, 12 goes up to 120 times 10, so 4 times 10, 40. Okay, 48 and 40 makes 98 over 120. Ooh, interesting. This is a challenging one. I didn't look ahead on this one. Okay, 98. What goes into 98? Okay, let's see. Nope, 4 doesn't. 98 divided by 6. Nope. Let's see, 98. Let's see, divided by 2. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the only thing divides in there is a 2. So 98 divided by 2, 120. They're both even numbers. 98 divided by 2 is a 49. 120 divided by 2 is 60. Guys, that's the answer. 49 over 60. That's the best you can do on that one. 49 over 60. Okay, let's do one more. We're picking a Mountain Dew, which is 6 out of 10. Okay, 6 out of 10. Plus, we're picking a regular bag of chips, which is 8 out of 12. Okay, a lot of this common denominator stuff is the same. So we're doing a 120 common denominator. Okay. Again, 10 times 12, so 6 times 12. Again, you can use your calculator. 12 times 10, 8 times 10. Okay. Ooh, man. So this is actually, these are going to add up to something bigger. So this actually has more than 100% chance, okay, between those. So 152, okay, I think divide by 2 again, divide by 2, okay, let's see. 152 divided by 2 is 76. Ooh, 152 divided by 4. Okay, sorry to do that. I think that's a 4. So 150. Remember, you got to divide by the biggest thing possible. Divided by 4. 3. 38. 120 divided by 3 is 30. Ooh, I can go divide by 2 again. Oh, man. So I could have divided by 8. That's what I didn't catch. 38 divided by 2 is 19. 38 divided by 2 is 19. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Whew. 19 over 15. That is the answer. Okay, that's a tough one. I kind of just made that one up. I didn't realize how tough that was going to be. Okay. Now let's take a look here. Okay,